Special thanks to Jaeci Studio for sponsoring this video. Hi guys, my name is Amber B and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I have made a video. I just had to take a little break from YouTube. You know, I think when you're doing YouTube, you're on a constant like just move of trying to create and plan content. And I just needed a brain break. YouTube is not easy, but I really enjoy sharing my life with you all and just doing this. So I am back today. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing my Sunday routine and how I essentially stay productive throughout the week. Honestly, Sunday is a rest day for me, but it's also like a major prep day to kind of really get ready for the week, and it really and truly honestly dictates my week. I realize when I don't really prep as much on Sundays as far as like going to the grocery store and cleaning and so forth, that my week is kind of like everywhere. So Sundays, yeah, they're like major keys if I want to have a pretty decent week. So to help me kind of like with the planning of my Sunday and just planning in general, this video is actually sponsored by Jaeci Studio. So Jaeci Studio is actually a Black-owned digital planning company, okay? And let me tell you, I am super excited to use their products. I'm actually going to be using their portrait planner in this video, and they have a lot of different other like planners and just different styles, and they're super like modern and chic, which I really love. And it's really kind of, sorry, bubbles, just sneezing in the background. But anyway, it's really bubble. Okay, take two. But the planners are really comprehensive, and I'll show you guys, like, you know, I'll go through them a little bit and also leave the link down below in the description box for their YouTube so you can see like how comprehensive the planners are. And I really love them. So I am going to be showing you guys using that today in this video, how it's going to keep me organized and honestly keep me organized throughout the week. I feel like digital planning has become like the trend now. I'm excited because I really love planners, and I love trying out different types of planners. I do like my old school, like, you know, hand-held planner because I do like the physical touch of it and writing things down. But I also like love having like the digital aspect and being able to take that with you. Y'all, Bubbles is on one today. Are you just like, this is what you're doing? I'm trying to record a video. But anyway, I do love the aspect of having a digital planner with you. Like if you have an iPad. If you don't, I'm actually gonna be using my computer today because my pad is broken. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing that. So for my Sunday routine today, I'm going to be using the Masters Do page. Now, I really love this page because this matrix is something that I actually live by in real life. So I love that it has the urgent, high, medium, and low priority matrix where you can put your task in and not feel pressure to get them done, which I love. And this planner is so comprehensive, so I definitely recommend checking this out. You can use my code AMBER15 to get 15% off of your first purchase. So in order to use the Jaeci Studio's planner, you have to use an app called NoteShelf. Now, NoteShelf is $7.99 to utilize the app. You're probably wondering right now, wait, why am I paying for a digital planner and the NoteShelf product? Well, in order to essentially use the digital planner features and essentially use the nice templates, you have to have a note-taking app, and NoteShelf is one of those note-taking apps. So you pay a one-time fee of $70.99. You get the different color planners or different styles and aesthetics which Jaeci Studio offers, and you're able to use the planner. Voila. So I'm gonna go over my list one more time, and then I'm gonna probably get started with cleaning my house and doing laundry first. So let's jump into it. So I just finished cleaning the house. Don't mind the water bottles, need to throw those away, but everything is so clean. I love like just a clean space just to kind of get you started for the new week. It's a little dark in here. Bathroom is clean as well. Yes, and it smells so good. I'm gonna light a candle when I come back. My best friend actually got me this candle. It is called the White Pumpkin from Bath and Body Works, and let me tell you, y'all, this smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Definitely recommend this. Anyway, I am about to go to the grocery store so I can get everything to meal prep with and just get the week started off. I'm definitely gonna probably make some wild rice and chicken soup for dinner. Yeah, we really love that, so I'll definitely make that. But yeah, I need to sit down and first go through my Kroger app really quick, look at and see if they have any coupons in Kroger, as well as see what I'm going to purchase and what that total is gonna look like. And then yeah, I'll go to the grocery store, come back, meal prep a little bit, and move on to the next to-do items. All right, so the kitchen is obviously a mess right now because I have all the groceries on the countertop, a bunch of frozen veggies. This is so good. So my best friend put me onto this. Oh my God, Yeso, I think it is. Oh, so good. And I really love the chocolate chip cookie dough one. I heard the salted caramel one is good as well. So definitely love those. It's a nice little sweet treat. I am, like I said, making chicken and wild rice soup, so that's why I got the wild rice. But I'm also gonna do like a veggie meal. Me and my fiance try to do like a veggie meal once a week, and so I'm gonna do this protein penne pasta and then do like some squash and zucchini and mushrooms and things like that. And then I'm gonna do meatballs. I have another pack of ground turkey. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I'll find something to do. Sorry if Bubbles is being annoying. She is... Y'all, Bubbles has been turned this whole Sunday routine. Like, you just want to be involved. Y'all, she has been a little needy lately. Also, like I said, I have produce, pears. Oh my God, I love pears. Apples, bananas, different little snacks. So little kettle chips. Eat those sparingly. This was actually free, which is nice, and I love this brand. So I got some granola, but one of the things I really want to show you guys, jam jar. Oh my gosh. So this, I broke one of these, but luckily I bought two. And when I tell you, this is so good. It's a really, really great, like, sweet red wine. But I'm so upset that I broke the other one. Yeah, I'm really sad about that. Alright, so I have everything prepped for my chicken and wild rice soup. I'm going to be using Uncle Ben's wild rice. And then my chicken right now is cooking in some chicken broth. So I'm going to have shredded chicken. So I want to make sure that's cooked really good. And then once that's cooked really good, I'll be sauteing all the vegetables. I have some mushrooms too, some carrots, and some corn, I think it is. Yeah, some corn. So I'll saute all that, and that will be dinner. And Bubbles is going at it again. I will say, like, this Sunday routine did not go as planned, even though I planned it out. And honestly, that's one of the things that I love about the Jaeci Studio planner, is that I had everything planned out, but I also like planned it for, you know, based on priority, knowing that things can happen. My computer actually had a moment today, and I was literally on technical support with Apple for like 2 hours. The Sunday routine isn't perfect, it's real life, you know, things happen, but one of the main things that I really like value in a good Sunday routine, like I said, is making sure I grocery shop and having all of my food ready for the week, so I don't have to like run and scramble or have like be tempted to eat out. And just having a clean house and just having some time to myself to reset and get ready for the week. So I am going to make my soup, eat, and just have some self-care. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have me a glass of jam jar just to wind down and do some little self-care before I go to sleep. But that is pretty much my Sunday routine. It wasn't perfect, I am normal, okay, things happen, but pretty much a gist of what I do in an entire Sunday. See you guys in the next video. Bye.